Hello, hello, hello. This is Georgia Coatings by the Bay, your local new car ceramic coating expert. And today I just wrapped up this mobile ceramic coating installation down in Winneconne. Gentleman asked for an 8-year coating to be applied to the white paint you see on this BMW X5. And so that's what we did. Full exterior detail, buffer applied polish, panel prep spray, and then application of an 8-year coating to the paint. If you're in the market for a new BMW, a new vehicle in general, I'd love to talk. Again, my name is George. You can text me anytime at 920-659-0023 or head right over to the website, coatingsbythebay.com. I've answered over 400 FAQs there. We're adding a whole new video series that's talking about stuff in the ceramic coating industry. And best yet, the website includes pricing. It's not something I hide behind a get a quote form. No personal information needed. So feel free to reach out, and I hope to work with you soon. Have a good one.